What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video, and today we are back on the channel. It's been a while since I've posted, and it's just cause a lot of stuff's been going on. But coming back with this video, hopefully I will get motivated again, so I can stay consistent on this channel, because I actually enjoy this channel. It's like, it's my favorite, like, and it's more entertaining to people, because I mean, it just depends, because my other channel is just a vlog channel. We got this channel, but if y'all do want to check out my vlog channel, my personal channel, whatever, it is Almighty Boyd. Okay. To let you guys know, we will not be going over the speed limit. We are always going to stay the same speed. I mean, stay in the speed limit. But yeah, right now we on the highway, y'all. I do have a lot of things I need to do to the car, so this should get me more consistent, because my accident that I had in here, I just got a call the other day that's gonna be not resolved, but we're pretty much on the last part with it. Then something else did happen to the car, and I also have to go get an oil change. So that's already 4 things, but it just all depends on how long that insurance thing is gonna take. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in sport for y'all. Damn, there's a hole. Once again, I said we're not going over the speed limit, so if y'all think my driving's boring, oh well. There's a bridge right here. Yo, I do want to get my car popping more. I don't know. I'd have to get it tuned to where I can change it, you know? Or either put the damn muffler back on and have active exhaust just make it pop. But, no. But I don't know. I mean, I could straight pipe it. But I have driven a straight pipe vet. Shit's too loud, not gonna lie. Today when I was driving this car, it sounded like my drone was so loud. And I don't know, I was like, what the hell? This shit's loud as hell. But I know for a fact straight piping would be too loud. Like, now the vet does have more like there's less room for real. But my bad, y'all. I'm just focused on driving. But like in the Camaro, you got the trunk and the back seat and all that, so it kind of makes it quieter, because I used to drive with my back seat down just so I could hear the car more, because you can hear the pops more. I would even take my seats out just because I liked enjoying the sound of it. Wish I could make it pop. I'm gonna see if I can make it. Oh yeah. Let me turn the air down so we can hear it for real. Okay. Okay. A couple pops. We might can hear it off the wall. Getting a couple pops. get back to y'all. Never mind, we're back. Sorry about that. But yeah, y'all hear the little slight pops? Got a Porsche right here too. Alright, we're gonna hit it on this straightaway. I'm gonna slow down though so we can just go up to the speed limit. Oh, never mind, it's not a straightaway, I lied. Damn. Alright, let's see if we can make some noise right here. Okay. I ain't opened my car up in a while, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, I'll hit it every now and then, but that wasn't even opening up, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, I'm about to grab this thumbnail real quick and I'm gonna turn the camera right back on. Alright, y'all, we are back. I just had to get a couple pictures because, you know, the thumbnail is very important. Okay, we got a little pop off of that one. Alright, y'all, well, that is gonna be the end of this video. If you enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, we will be coming back to this channel with more content, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.